Hey guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel guys. My name is Reza Tutor from 11th grade 3J. I would like to make some tutorial video game. It's talk about AGLP filtering added. Wait guys. Change my place first because the when I make it in my place it can disturb my friend and my friend's sound can disturb me. Okay guys, we just continue to our lesson about tutorial video in here. Lab 6 AGLP filtering administrative distance. What the meaning of administrative distance? The meaning of administrative distance is, okay, I wanna see first in my notes. Wait. Yeah, the topology we use in here is the same with before in lab 3, lab 4, and lab 5. We didn't change any topology. We just continue to topology before. Okay, when I say before, I would like to explain it about what the meaning of ADE or administrative distance. So, administrative distance is a value used by router to decide which routing search or protocol is the most trustworthy when there are multiple routes to the same destination. Think, think of think of it as a trustworthiness rating for routes. The lower the administrative distance value, the more reliable the route is considered. If two different routing protocols like OSPF or AGRP advertise the same destination, the router will choose the one with the lowest administrative distance. For example, default administrative defined values is directly connect network. The administrative distance is 0, most trusted, is the very trusted. Then the second is static route. Administrative distance is 1. Then the AGRP is 90 administrative distance, OSPF is 110, and then the RIP is 120. You guys must memorizing the meaning of that of the administrative distance at protocol. So in short, the meaning of administrative distance is a number that tells the router how much it should believe a particular routing protocol compared to others. That's just the example about administrative distance. Then for the topology of administrative distance is we erase the topology before in router 5. Sorry, in lab 5 is talk about access list, permit, filtering, prefix list appear. Then we just erase in here, no access list 1, permit 000.1. Then in routing HRP10 we erase again, no distribute list 1 in fastest net 0 Then when we show, sorry, And then the second configuration or command is access is 1, permit 3333 with the network 000.255. At 2, router AGRP10 is distance 255 000 255.1 to 255 until 1. The meaning is jarak, distance is jarak, distance 255, jarak 255, 000, 255, and then until 1. Then show IP route, the when we see in here when we show IP route is the meaning as 23000/24. 2323 the gateway is connect with Ethernet 0/0. Then the formula for filtering administrative distance is distance, value, such IP, max, and access number. And then the key analog for routing authentication is the next lesson, guys. So we still continue in router 6 first. Maybe, yeah, this is the configuration in lab 6. This right access is 1, then distance, then when you show IP route and then in router 2 you find this. The important of this, your configuration is already complete. Then this is the formula for filtering administrative distance. Then the next we're gonna talk about lab 7 is AGRP authentication. And then in lab 7 AGRP authentication, we continue again same from lab 3. You guys do key analog for analogy for routing authentication is KID string. String is the meaning of gigi in kunci. In Indonesia, expanded in Indonesia for make it easy. My K string. String is the meaning of gigi in here. Gigi in here. Then the gigi in door. Then is the K ID1. Kunci ID pertama. The string or the gigi is my underscore K underscore string. Then for the K chain is or the gantungan, we say the combined all of the key. We just do or write is my underscore K underscore chain. Now the next is AGRP authentication. First one, we just write the in router 2 now accesses 1 permit. Then we just configuration in router 1, kchain AGRP. Then the K name with the K string. In kchain AGRP, and then the K1, the K string CCNP, it must same with router 1 and router 2, it must same. The kchain is AGRP, and then the key is number 1, the key number 1, and then the K string is CCNP. Then exit, then interface gigabyte Ethernet 1/0 in here. IP authentication mode AGRP 10 MD5. Authentication keychain AGRP 10 AGRP. The name is AGRP 10 AGRP. IP authentication, the mod is AGRP 10. The mod is we use MD5. Then with IP authentication keychain AGRP in here 10 AGRP. And then in router 2 is same the configuration in router 1. You may guys to see is same. then the enduring AGRP authentication is running, or how to see it, the AGRP running or no. We just write in router 2 debug AGRP package. And then in router 1 you can see when you do debug AGRP package, the router 1 will show you guys, ensure that there is not static package retrieved with ND5 authentication KID 1. This is the KID. And then this sample in July, retrieve package with ND5 authentication KID 1 are already complied. Maybe is that the configuration or the my explain it about lab 7. I say thank you for your watching and your listening, guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you in the next video.